Putri. Here I will make and review Jasmine tea. Before that, I will introduce the group member.
Hello, my name is Naufal.
Hi, my name is Alya. Hello, my name is Salsa.
Here,
We will tell how
To make tea.
ingredients: tea bag, hot water, sugar, glass, teaspoon.
first put some hot water into a glass. Then put the tea bag inside the hot water. Wait until the water turns brown.
Put some sugar based on how you like it.
Mix the tea until the sugar dissolves.
Enjoy the tea bag. You enjoy? I don't like it because it's too sweet for me.
Delicious! I like it. It's perfect to drink in cold weather.
I think I prefer a cool honest. Yummy!
I think it's better for making milk tea. Pull it out. It's easy. Just add milk.
Let's make it!
I like it.
Warm sweet tea is really good to drink when it's raining or at night. And sweet iced tea is also very suitable to drink when the weather is hot.
Sweet tea also has many benefits. The first is that it can treat headache because they contain caffeine which can relax the body so that it helps in healing headache. Secondly, tea has a physiological calming effect.
Moreover, in a warm dish, it helps you feel comfortable and warm. And thirdly, tea ideal for those of you who usually for outdoors.
However, if we consume excessive sweetie, it can have a negative impact because tea contains caffeine, the effect of which include anxiety, increased stomach acid, interferes with iron absorption, head gas, and nausea, lead to diabetes. Hi everyone!
Thank you.
For watching.
This video.
Bye-bye! Kepencet.
Memret.
Sugar! I think I could never.
Berisik dong. It because
Apa terus apa lu ngajiannya? Udah, gue tahu kali.
this video.
Bye bye.